Hi, welcome to my tutorial on building websites using Bootstrap. My name is Yomi Do and I'm your instructor. Today I'm going to be designing a website using Bootstrap templates. Bootstrap happens to be a program written by the developers of Twitter. It was actually written to develop Twitter, and they now throw it open as an open source program for web developers. So I'm gonna be doing something using Bootstrap templates, which I already downloaded here, and I labeled web training. So I'm gonna use the XAMPP as my local server. So I already have that launched, and I'm gonna move this folder into my XAMPP. So how you move your folder into your XAMPP is to go to your drive C and locate your XAMPP folder under your drive C. Then you go to a folder named htdocs. Then you paste your web folder there. So the folder is already there now, so I've placed it in, and I'm gonna just close it and launch. So to now see what you placed there, you have to go to localhost /web training, which is your folder name /index.html. So that is just it to bring in your class. So if I had gone a bit off, like I didn't do the local host and the file extensions correctly, I'm not gonna be taken into my exact folder, but I have other web templates. So let me just see another one. HTML. This is another one, but this is not actually the one I want to use for the tutorial. It's coming up. Probably I have internet connected. Okay, this is another one. This is actually my official website. Sorry, that's my music going on in the background. So this is something from Bootstrap also, and as you can see, map showing my office address and my contact details. So this is not really what I'm going to use for this tutorial. So I'm going to go back to the folder, the web I pasted in the XAMPP. So I am actually going to show you how to change items on the web page. So that's where this programs comes in. This is called Sublime Editor. It's a 3D, it's a web template editor that is very, very good. I consider it very good and very effective. So if you want to be a web designer, you should be using Sublime Editor. So I'm gonna go straight into business. So this is the website title, which is Web Training Limited. Actually, my company name is Dev Disc Group, so I'm gonna change that to Dev Disc Group. So here we go, Dev Disc Group. So you, after editing, you save and you refresh. So as you can see, I just changed the name. I can actually change the colors and everything, but we're not going to talk about that now. So here I have my navigation buttons, which is home, about, product, services, and contacts. So this is actually not what came with the template. I just changed it to that. So let's say I want to eliminate products. I just home, about us, service, and contacts. So I'm going to go back to my Sublime editor and navigate to where I have that. So I want to eliminate the products. In the case of Sublime editor, in the case of web designing, you don't really need to delete. All you do is just comment out, and to comment out you just do Ctrl// you comment it out. It's there, but it's not going to show in your web page, but it's there in case you want to use it again. And if you want to bring it back, you just do the same control forward slash and it's back. But so I'm going to comment this out, and I'm going to rename this to about us, not just about us. Sorry, about us. And what else do I want to do? Okay, let's see that work. So I have saved that, which is your Control S. Then I'm going to go to my browser to refresh, and I'm going to go back to my navigation. But so now I have home, about us, services, and contacts. Now, if I click on about us, it takes me to about us here. So here now, I want to add some text to here, as indicated that add some text. So I want to talk about us. So I'm just gonna like do a further pointer, which is what we do. So I'm gonna go back to my Sublime editor, and yeah, I already have what we do. So I'm gonna save that, or let's say, let me change that to who we are. Who we are. So I'm gonna save that and go to my Sublime and refresh. I'm sorry, go to my browser and refresh. Oh, sorry, I'm not in my about page. I'm still on my own page. So let me go back to my own page here. I was editing from my own page. So who we are is here. So what to edit that on my about page. So I'm just gonna go to my about page. Then okay, here's the deal. As you can see, I've edited my navigation button in my home page, but they are not yet done in my about page. So I can just go here and copy everything within the home page and bring it here and use it to replace what is here. So the navigation works immediately. So about us, that is here, I can replace it with what we do. What we do. Then if I go back to my browser and I refresh, on the home page I used who we are for the about us. So here I'm going to refresh this, what we do, about the HTML, what we do. So you don't have to, you have two different taglines. So I'm going to go back to my home page and say what we do. So this is my index and this is my about us. So I'll say what we do here, what we do, save. So these are the things we do: business consulting, interface design, app development. So we do training, we do video production, video productions, we do graphics design. Now this I've done on the index page, which is my first page. I can just come here and copy everything, so to use it elsewhere. So if I go back to my browser, as you can see, video production, graphic design training, and if I go to my index page, which is my own page, it still brings the same thing because I've copied and pasted. So I think I'm gonna stop right here and move to tell you about my company, which is DevDisc Group. We are into training and business development, social media marketing, graphic designing, interior decorations, and video production, audio production. So we do a whole lot of things, and we focus on training. So if you want to get trained doing stuff such as this, as in you becoming a web designer, then you need to talk to us. So you can always look for us on your social media, on Facebook at DevDisc Group, and on Instagram at DevDisc Group. And you can send a WhatsApp message to 081-8799-1592 or 080-2586-1186. We are waiting to hear from you. Sorry about the cough. Thank you for watching.